I'm Bianca Magsino and today is May 15. It's a Saturday and it's currently 1:25 in the afternoon and I'm about to leave and go to my cousin's house because we're gonna eat somewhere. We wanted to go picnic but I feel like it's still so cold, but we'll see later. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So here's the fit: Zara top, cider jeans, and AF1s. So we decided to go to Little Italy in San Diego. Sorry. So we're going to Morning Glory. Hopefully there's not a long line. We're in Little Italy. Oh! So we're gonna move to a different place because it's already full in Morning Glory. So wait, where is it like this?
I remember we parked that. Or did they send you like the park location? No,
I think it does.
Yeah. I forgot. I don't remember.
What place are we going to? It's a Japanese restaurant, right? Kinda. Yeah.
What is it called?
Karuma. It was super nice in Morning Glory, but they don't accept people anymore, customers, since they close at 4 and they reached their max already. I'm gonna go to this place. There's a wait. So we decided to just roam around and take photos because it's not yet our turn at Harumama, and here's the infamous fountain at Little Italy. Now we're going back. Yeah, I'm vlogging. We're gonna go back to the Japanese restaurant that we cannot pronounce the name. Harumama? But they haven't texted us yet. But it's been 30 minutes plus. So
We're very hungry.
yeah, I'm hungry. She's gonna try ramen for the first time.
Yeah, I'm
Right?
excited. Yeah.
And she hasn't eaten sushi. I'm gonna order sushi so that you could try. Can I see it? Wait.
You know the thing? I'm passing the camera to someone that I very love. I love very much. And
He's not here.
girl, wait. Yeah, this person's right here. It's me. It's me. By the way, like, look at her pants, her jeans. It has hearts on them. I don't know if it's gonna show. We're very hungry. This is a nice house. This is a very nice house. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We're gonna take pictures again, so you know.
For your Instagram.
I want to be a vlogger so bad. We're taking pictures again.
It's an influencer life.
It's an influencer thing. Wear your masks.
Try to,
Always
like,
wear your
put hair
mask.
like
Get vaccinated.
Like my hair
Go sideways.
You know.
And then try to like fix it.
People in the world are so stupid. That's
My hair
why.
doesn't do that.
Me and Sarah do not know how to pose. So we're getting lessons from Miss Girly over here. Okay, let's do some like deep talks. A deep talks with Irene segment. Probably I'll have this every vlog that I'm in. Irene King, whatever she calls me. So, you know. When life doesn't go your way, you have to accept the way the things are. You just, you know, you can't fight the reasons why things happen. Like, you don't want to question anything. I'm having like a deep talk segment thing. So everything happens for a reason, and if it's meant for you, it'll come for you. you know, you don't want to chase anything, because if it's meant for you, it'll simply find you. You guys, you know, I think I repeated myself like 10 times, but we're waiting, we're hungry.
This is what I ordered. It's called the crunchy salmon.
What's your order? I like it. Chicken teriyaki. What's yours, gang? Chicken katsu. But what were you supposed to order? This one's mine. Is it good? Is it good?
I love caramelized onion.
Really?
You don't like them?
I like them. There's a bun that has that.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's pork and caramelized onion. I think it's the pig one. What was your order?
No, this is fine.
Good? Thank you. It's a little sweet though. I don't think this is garlic. It's not garlic. So we're done eating. Very good. It was good, but the wait wasn't. Was it worth it? I don't think so. So we're going to get some ice cream. What was the name? Salt and sour? Sweet and salt.
Salt and sweet.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go there. It's already 5:21.
And aesthetics.
We came here like 2:45. We waited so long for the Haru Mama. But we're gonna get ice cream finally. So we're gonna go here. Salt and straw. Didn't even get it right. Oh. Hey. Can I get a single sea salt with caramel ribbons in a cup? Thank you. I got the sea salt with caramel ribbons. We're still waiting for Sarah. What did you get, King? Vanilla and cookie dough chocolate something. I don't know it, but this is what it looks like. Because it's long, huh? The names are long. Wait. Okay, put your item.
The salted caramel and the double chocolate gooey brownie.
I love the salt.
This is so good.
I know. Guys, look at the tree. So
Your
nice.
DoorDash ice cream.
We were supposed to park here, but it was like 40.
Hey guys, so I am already home. I already changed my clothes, did my skincare and everything. It's currently 9:52. I think I got home around 9:30ish. So yeah, my pajama set is from Shein. So cute and super comfy. And what was I gonna say? I didn't know that I was gonna vlog a lot today, so I'm super happy. I really did enjoy today. I also made a lot of TikToks before we went home, so I'm just gonna insert some TikToks here. So I don't know if I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow, because I know I'm gonna do a week in my life at first, but then we did a lot of things today, so I might just post this on its own. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post.